Support is available to assist in your success, and we are committed to providing equal opportunities. Under Title II of Section 504 of the Americans with Disabilities Act, students with documented disabilities qualify for reasonable accommodations. Disabilities can include physical, medical, mental health, or even temporary conditions. Reasonable accommodations may include additional time to take tests, taking tests in a quiet location, ability to record class lectures, access to audiobooks, or screen readers. Students who are interested in learning more about academic accommodations should apply online by visiting the college website and search Disability Services. After applying, students should provide a copy of their documentation. Once the college has received and reviewed the documentation, an intake appointment will be scheduled to determine reasonable accommodations. For more information, please visit the college website and search Disability Services.